Installation instructions. Accessories included as front lock, back bottom plate, strike box, mortise, spindle, connecting pillar, fixing cylinder, screw M5, mechanical key, IC card, installation template, smart lock manual. Firstly, insert the mortise and fix with 4 screws. Ensure the upper arrow is aligned with the red mark. Insert fixing cylinder onto the mortise. Insert the connecting pillar onto the mortise. Next, insert the fixing cylinder onto the mortise. Get the front lock cable across the door plate. And fix the back bottom plate and front panel with 2 screws. Connect the front panel cable with the connection on the back panel. Ensure the knob is vertical. Fix the back panel onto the back bottom plate with 4 screws. Insert the batteries and fix with the battery cover. Test the functionality of door viewer. Test the functionality of smart lock handle. Test the functionality of security bolt. Test the functionality of fingerprints. Test the functionality of access card. Test the functionality of mechanical key. Installation completed.
Home plus Malaysia, Smart Home Specialist.